Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, August 8, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. The recent development to the downside has resulted with the local low and the swing low at 45,891. So we are not now going to mark this level. So we know where the technical support is, and it looks like the market doesn't want to go any lower. So the level of 45,489 is now the technical support, quite important technical support, because this is the level that makes a difference in the market. What I mean is that any breakout below this level would eventually put us into the bearish mode, and maybe some other negative consequences would be possible as well, because the deterioration below this level is basically from the top to the bottom is more than 30%. It's all minus 32.64%. So any breakdown below this level and then eventually target with the 39,962 would be eventually bearish in the longer term. So please be aware of the fact that below this level there's more than 32% of the downside on the Bitcoin. Now this is how it looks like eventually, right? So that's a huge drop here that we've got just recently. Nevertheless, we bounced from this level. There is a small zone to the left. There is a small zone of the it is a demand zone, 46,891, 49,073. This is the zone. So it means that market might have been looking at this zone as well. For now, we got a bounce on the daily time frame chart. We got a bounce towards the level of 54,000 of euro, and today's is looking quite interesting. It's still an inside bar of the yesterday. Well, pretty big pin bar with a long upper shadow. For now, we are all green, but we need to break above yesterday's high. We need to break above this level here, 53,935, in order to move higher. Of course, the next target would be even higher, because that would be this big massive range candle high. Look at that, 57,999. So that would be the next target if this one is violated, and then of course eventually higher levels are possible. So are bulls strong enough to run toward this level? Let's take a look at the momentum here on the daily time frame chart. As you can see on the daily time frame chart, if we place the line on the level of 50, so we know where we are, somewhere like there, right? So that's roughly the level of 50, and you can see that we are just started to bounce from the extremely oversold market conditions. That was this day, 1-2 days ago, and today's we are keep moving higher. Nevertheless, only 39 points right now. We need to get towards the 50 and break it in order to see any kind of a price movement above 58,000 euros. So for now, it doesn't actually look that bad. Nevertheless, today's close might be crucial, and tomorrow is Friday, so the Friday close will be even more important. And of course, the weekly close on the Bitcoin to Euro is the one that I would recommend to take a look at, because it might see we might see very interesting candlestick pattern. But I will speak about it next week. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.